Otube calmine a stressful situation. The clock is ticking. Everyone counting on you. Which virus would you que? Will most of us never have to deal with the life or death dilemma of a bomb squad, everyday situation such a job interview, public speaking, en family emergency can be very bit stressful if you are no accustomed to dealing with them. Learning to remain calm in time of stress will not only have immediate soothing effect, it can also, over time, help you live healthy, happy life. Calming down in the moment. Stop what you're doing. One of the best way to calm down if you're already feeling stressed is to stop interacting with the stressor, if possible. Sometimes, even taking a few seconds before you hit back into the situation can be enough to help you cool down. 1. Try counting to 10, or taking 3-5 deep breaths, before you reply in a heated conversation or situation. Take a break. For example, if an argument with your spouse is getting heated, stop and excuse yourself for a moment by saying something like, I'm feeling a little overwhelmed right now. Need to take a 15-minute break before the continue discussing. Go to a different place, focus on breathing deeply, and recite a calming mantra, such as I can handle it calmly. I can do it. Focus on your sense. Whenever stressed, sometimes your body interprets stress en attack and kicks into fight or flight mode. This stimulates the release of hormones like adrenaline, which constrict your blood vessel, make your breathing rapid and shallow, and boost your heart rate. 2. Over time, the panic response can become a before your brain wakes on automatic reactivity. 3. Slowing down and focusing on individual physical response you're experiencing can help you learn to identify what it feels like when you're stressed to the maximum. Study also show that the conscious process of noticing what's going on in your body can help retrain your brain automatic habit. 4. Notice things that are going on in your body, but try to avoid judging it. For example, if you're worried about doing well on a final exam in just a few minutes, you might notice to yourself, my face feel hot and flushed. My heart beating very fast. My palm feel sweaty. I feel nauseated. Try to keep your noticing at the tiny neutral as possible. Take some deep breaths. When your body enters fight or flight mode, your sympathetic nervous system can seriously mess with your breathing. You may find it difficult to breathe when you're stressed, but it's important to focus on taking some long, even breaths. It will restore oxygen to your body and decrease the lactate in your bloodstream, making you feel more calm and relaxed. 5. You'll probably notice that when you're stressed or upset, your breathing seems to come from the very top of your chest, even your throat. And to breathe from your diaphragm instead. Place one on your lower abdomen just below your rib and on your chest. 6. Inhale slowly through your nose. And to breathe in for a 4 coins if you can. You should feel your belly expand along with your chest as you inhale, the diaphragmatic breathing. Hold the breath for 2 seconds. 10. Slowly exhale through your nose or mouth. And to exhale for a 4 coins if you can. Repeat the process 6 times per minute for a few minutes. You may also find it helpful to recite a mantra while you breathe, or count your breath to keep yourself from getting distracted. 7. A mantra mab a syllable, such as home, or it mab a phrase, such as breathing into my body, while inhaling, breathing out while exhaling. Try to relax your muscles. When you're stressed, you may unconsciously tighten and tense your muscles, which can make you feel even more stressed and wound up. Using progressive muscle relaxation, or PMR, can help release the tension and get you feeling more calm and relaxed. PMR focuses on consciously tensing and enrolling muscle big group. 9. Tu recevras le free guide PMR routine online. Berkeley a script you can follow along with. 10. Mia Avri 11 minutes audio guide tout douin PMR. 11. Fin acquiert, Comfortable place if you can. If it is no possible, you can still do some PMR technique. Loosen tight clothing if possible. Si comfortably or done, all to gluing done ma relax you so much you fall asleep. Preattively you do your PMR group. Begin with the muscle in your face, a manip up le carry stress in surface, neck, en shoulder area. Start by opening your area with at will go for 5 seconds, then roll the tension. Squeeze your eye shut tightly for 5 seconds, then roll the tension. Give yourself 10 seconds to notice a hot area fell. Move to the next group. Purse your lip tightly for 5 seconds, then roll the. Smile away by you can for 5 seconds, then roll the. Again, lay yourself enjoy sensation of relaxation for 10 seconds before moving on. Continue tout en ce muscle group for 5 seconds and then roll the tension. Give yourself a 10 seconds relaxation break between group. Progress through the rest of your muscle group, if the malo, neck, shoulder, rein, chest, stomach, buttock, tig, lower leg, fait, hanche. If you don't have time for a full PMR rolls, try to do it with just your facial muscle. You can also try a kick en massage, since often carry a lot of tension in your. Jet some exercise. Exercise a natural mode boosted because it endorphin, natural chemical to make you feel calm and happy. 12. Several studies have demonstrated that exercising regularly can make you feel calm and happy overall. 13. 14. When you go for a run, do calisthenics, do yoga, or lift weight, 30 minutes of physical exercise every day can help you relax. Exercise may also have a preventive effect. Studies have shown that getting some aerobic exercise before an experience that may be stressful can actually help you keep calm during the experience. 15. 3 exercices such as yoga and teki. Ser focus on deep breathing, méditation, en gentle physical movement can really help you. Identifying the sources of stress. Recognize what stress looks like for you. You may exhibit a variety of signs when you're feeling stressed or anxious. Knowing what to look for will help keep stress from sneaking up on you in our. Everyone experience and respond to stress differently, but there are some common symptoms you can look for. 18. Psychological signs include, trouble concentrating, difficulty with your memory, being distracted easily, feeling less creative or decisive, worrying, or freak negative thinking. Emotional signs include, teariness, irritability, mood swing, unusual feeling for you, defensiveness, feeling a lack of motivation or the desire to procrastinate, low confidence or low self-esteem, frustration, feeling nervous or jittery, uncharacteristic agression rangée. Physical signs include, a champagne, lowered immune system, vectors le change, panic attack, exhaustion or fatigue, en change of sex drive. Behavioral signs include, forgetfulness, self-neglect, social withdrawal, trouble sleeping, relationship trouble, imperative management en self-motivation, en using substance such alcohol, nicotine, or drug to help cope. Identify the cause of your stress. You are responding because ta person just que you often free, or it because of ta presentation you have to give to your body afternoon. Think for a moment and try to figure out what really bothering you. If it help, you can write various things on a piece of paper and then rank them. Common source of stress include family, conflict with parents, loved one, or your romantic partner can really stress you out. School work. You may feel pressure to perform, deadline, or achieve certain tasks. You may also feel stressed about balancing work and your personal life, or about making major decisions. Personal. The source can be intense. You may worry about feeling good and ugly. You may be stressed over your relationship, or you may have a problem with your health or finance that stress you out. You may also be bored or lonely, or have limited relaxation and self-care time. Acknowledge your role. It mab ta stressable comme so intégral to you envision yourself ta you don even recognize that you have become. Ta casteba quand consider you un cabou stress. Do you frequently feel stressed out even if the stress always seem temporary? For example, you might say something like just ali crazy have work to explain your stress. However, if you are often feeling this stress, this suggests it important a temporary ta causing it. Do you feel like stress is part of your identity, or a normal part of your life? For example, perhaps you think, my family are all worried. Ta just worry just live a stressful life, tal. This type of thinking can make it seem like there's nothing you can do to manage your stress. Do you feel like your stress is therefore a responsibility? For example, you might blame the stress à cause j'essaie on te ticher strict standard, raté your procrastination. This can keep you from taking action to reduce your stress by changing your own behavior.